Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to make a video on TikTok with photos. First step is open a TikTok application on your mobile device. Then tap on the plus sign center at the bottom of your screen. Then tap templates. Here you will get to choose various templates for your photos. Then tap select photos. Choose the number of photos within the range for the template in question. Tap OK in the bottom right corner. After processing, add additional effects if you want to. Then post it like any other video. There are numerous options that make using TikTok an absolute breeze. Have fun with the app to learn more about it.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.